What's going on? Well, sit and relax. Are you sitting down so you can relax for a minute? What do you mean you're holding it up? I thought you said you couldn't pick it up. You wanted me to help you pick it up. Why was your bike upside down? Did you pick a bad line? You picked a bad line. You picked a bad line. You forgot to give it gas? Are you still on it? Oh, you're not on it. Why the hell would you pick that line? What the fuck? Yeah. So you fell down in there?
Yeah, hell yeah.
That ain't good.
No.
What green shit?
My leg wasn't long enough.
Why would you go all the way down there?
Because I thought it would be better video.
Yeah, you made the video. No, quit. What'd you do? Cut it off after you wrecked?
I don't know what I was doing over there.
Yeah, you cut it off when you wrecked. Oh, hold it. There we go. Yeah, see this right here? No, it's got 2 bars. You cut it off when you wrecked. Anybody want to walk across the log while we're down here? No? It's okay. Don't put the choke on. Did you not have the clutch in? To start it? You didn't check to see if it's neutral either. Momentum. Yeah. Yeah, Dennis says we need to hurry up.